Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to analyze your next week gold trading for next week gold analysis. So last week my gold analysis I was mentioned that the price reached 1815 level that has reached last week. That is the accurate of gold analysis. Though yesterday last Friday was released non-farm payrolls USA that our telegram group made 200 pips profit from the 1813 level buy from that yesterday last Friday. So that is the accurate signals is my telegram link is below. You can join with it. So let's move to the next week. What will going on goal? So I am in daily chart goal. So you can see the left side. So this year March, that is the Silicon Valley Bank was crashed in USA. That's the buyers are active in this area, and the goal reached about 2000 level. That's you can see the left side area. That is the March in this year. So there's a bias in left side. So buyers will active next week. So I am hoping price will retracement to the upside goal. So that is the hoping, that is the forecast for next week. So that is the retracement upside and drop again. That is the next week forecast. So which level price will retracement? So I am using Fibonacci for what is the level you can buy from this level and what level price will reach. So I am Fibonacci using for this movement is that this the huge deep drop movement last 2 weeks. So that is the 0.678 level and 0.618 level. That's the two levels I am hoping the forecast price will retracement. So 0.786 level is the 1842 level and 0.618 level is the 1860 level. That is the price will retracement level to next week and drop to again. So you have a buy chance opportunity next week with the technically analyzed. This is my technical picture next week. So let's move to the what will going on economic data in US dollars. So yesterday last Friday was released non-farm employment change, that is 336k is the actual figure. That is the positive for US dollar. But you will remember unemployment rate is the 3.8. That has not dropped unemployment rate, and also average hourly earnings not dropped. That's the not increase 0.2%. That is the mixed data for US dollar yesterday. And next week 12th October CPI data is will be released, that the you will touch with the CPI inflation report, that the 3.7 is the previous. So Fed expect to 3.6 drop. So you will touch with this inflation report next week 12th October if we are trading US dollar pairs regarding like gold like that pair. So touch with economic data combined with technically analyze. So I have moved to the Fed Watch Tool website. December FOMC meeting. You can see 38 point interest rate hike forecasting going on. That is will have to dollar demand. So two FOMC meetings will come in November and December. This is December FOMC meeting. That is 38 point. That almost 40% interest rate hike forecasting. So that's let's move to the technically analysis. What is your next week goal trade? So I am going to the 4-hour chart goal. You can see the below pattern. Price has ranging this pattern in last week. This is the pattern price is ranging last week. So it has break to the upside last Friday NFP data. So clear move to the upside, clear the below liquidity and move to the upside. So that is the breakout to upside last Friday and retracement, and by again 1843 is my next level target next week. So you have a buy opportunity with the retracement of this breakout and again drop, and next is again next level 1860 is next target Fibonacci 0.618 level. So you have a buy opportunity with the gold retracement next week. So breakout retracement, there's a buy opportunity 1480, this is the buy opportunity. 1483 is the target. 1843 it's a target, it's a bust target, and that is also Fibonacci level 0.6786 level. So next is the Fibonacci 0.618 level is the next target. 1860 is the next level target. So I am hoping this is the next week price action is the technically with using economic data and the Fibonacci price retracement and going to the upside. So take a money management well, risk management well, take a trade from the smaller time frame confirmations. Thank you very much.